welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to change background color in Instagram story. So first thing you're going to need to do is open Instagram and log in if needed. And then from here, just tap on your story and then just choose what picture that you want to use. So for this one, I'll choose this one. And then once you're done selecting a photo, tap on that three dots at the top right corner, this one, and then tap on draw. And in here you can change the color of the background in your Instagram story, so just select any color. So on my Instagram story, I'm gonna choose this one, and then just long press it on the screen, and that's it. As you can see, it changed the color of my background. And then you can go ahead on adding whatever you want to add on your Instagram story. So I'm just putting here. You can also add photo if you want. But in this one, I'm adding just stickers. And then you can go ahead and tap on your story to upload it. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!